Hello guys, welcome to Techavro channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to use Gemini to generate quiz question. So guys, Gemini makes creating quiz questions easy by turning any topic or chapter into clear, ready to use questions. You can simply type the subject or paste a short paragraph and Gemini will instantly generate MCQ, true false, short question or fill in the blanks. It helps students prepare for exam by giving practice questions that match the lesson. You can also ask Gemini to increase difficulty, focus on key point, or generate question chapter wise. It's a quick and smart way to test your understanding and study more effectively. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.